Hey guys, it's Eddie, and I got a 2021 Nissan Versa. I have the whole passenger side of the vehicle out because there's a water leak. As you can see, the water's all on the carpet. It's back there, up on the insulation back there. As you can see, we have some standing water. And as you're driving, it's going splish splash. So what I did was, like I usually do, follow the path, the trail of the debris and dirt. And let me show you what I found. All right, so there's the standing water. What I did was I followed the water trail, and I kept following it. And way up here, you can see the debris on the firewall here. So I kept following it up, and I went way back there, and I could see debris still. So I just water tested it, and then the water just started pouring down. So let me show you what I found. So what I found is down in this corner here, I took off the cowl underneath the windshield, and then I found down in this corner here, this whole seam is leaking. So I'm gonna put some Brushable Seam Sealer in there and take care of that, and it should be fixed. But I don't see any other places where it can be leaking, so I'm gonna go with my right there. If you can see that, it's a pretty good sized hole. But I'm gonna clean up that whole seam and put some Brushable Seam Seal in that. You got any questions or comments, guys? Leave in the box below. Be happy to answer for you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Helps promote my videos. Take care, guys.